Hello viewers, you're welcome. How we have this logarithmic expression, log base of 6 divided by log 5 of 2 plus 1. So what are we going to do? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change this one to log base 5 of 5, and this will give me 1 because we are having the base 5 all through. So I'm going to have log base 5 6 all over log base 5 of 2 plus log base 5 of 5, right? So the next thing we're going to do now is from this bottom, so we have log a, okay, c plus log of c. Let's say you have b here, so you know that this is going to be log a multiplied by b, so we are going to use it here. So this is going to be log base 5 of 6 all over log base 5. 2 times 5 give us what? 10. So now when you have this, so we have change of base, law of logarithms. When you have something like, recall, when you have something like log c a over log base of c b, you know we can write this as log of a to base b. Do you understand now? So because we take away this base entirely and replace this one a then b, so the same thing we are going to do, all right, for this one here. So we can actually say that log base 5 then log 5 base 10 is same thing as using this here, the same thing as log base 5 then 6. Sorry, this would be 10 because we change the base 5 entirely. So we have log 6 base 10, and that's the solution. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share this to your colleagues so they can learn from it. Bye bye.